Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have these green neon French tip press-on nails. If you guys want to know and see how I made these using nail polish, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna get started with my Beetles base gel. I'm gonna be applying a thin layer to my press-ons. Guys, so I don't know how to pronounce this brand, but this is considered a jelly polish. So I'm going to be going in with this one, and I am going to be applying 2 thin layers. I will be carrying between layers as well. Okay, so nails are ready with the 2 coats, and I'm gonna go in with this neon green gel polish. It's not technically the legit gel, if you know what I mean, but it works perfectly fine as long as my nail it's super cured and dry. Nothing should go wrong. I went ahead and made sure that my first layer was dry, and I'm going to be applying the second coat. By the way, this type of polish does not go in the curing lamp. It just dries on its own. By the way, guys, I'm not going to be recording every single nail that I do just because I don't want this video to be super long. And once they're completely dry, I am going to go on with a gel top coat, and this is the one from Beetles. So I have all of them ready here, and I'm just going to be applying some bling. My favorite part, guys. I love to bling out my nails. So I am going to be applying some glue and some rhinestones. All right, and I'm done with my nails. Just for the second to last step, I do like to go around my bigger stones, just adding some extra glue there just so my stones don't fall. This is a big step, an important step that you guys cannot forget. If you guys are trying out some press-on nails, you guys don't want your stones falling, do this and you guys will be good. Okay, and for the last step, I like to clean my rhinestones at the end because this actually removes any glue that may have fallen on the stones and it just makes them extra shiny. Okay guys, so this is the complete set. These in person are way nicer, way shinier. Lighting, no justice whatsoever. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time.